Hi everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, if you're new here, my name is Pamela Jacobs, and I own Oslove Organics, which is a skincare company that is focused on providing DIY options for everyone. So you can make your own skin and hair care products by yourself in the comfort of your own home using pure and natural ingredients. So, I'm just here to announce that we are turning 10 next month. So that's huge. I started this business in April of 2016, and I started sourcing natural products from all over the world. So today so next month we will be 10, and I have gone ahead to document a lot of things about natural products, oils, butters, waxes, and all of that good stuff that we all use for making our own skincare at home, and I've put that in a guide. Yes. So it is a very long guide. It's about 160 or 70 pages. And I've just detailed how to work with these butters, how to use them, how they work best in skincare or hair care applications, and just several applications out there. And I hope people find this guide useful because it is sort of like a chronicle of my journey for 10 years in working with these butters, in researching these butters and these oils and waxes and more. And I would be providing that guide free of charge to some people that like I'm going to do a giveaway based with that guide. I have a few ebooks as well that are on the website. So I have one. My first ebook was just about recipes and just detailed recipes using butters, oils, and waxes. And then I also have an ebook that talks about how to just in general start your own handmade business, which I noticed a lot of people were struggling with. So I created that ebook just detailing all the steps you need to go through, all the research you need to do, how you need to start, how you need to launch your products. I have that in a different ebook, which is also on the website. So the first ebook is just titled Oslove Ebook, um, DIY recipe ebook, and then the second one is How to Start Your Handmade Skin Business, and this third one is a guide. So this guide will be like a collection, if yeah, if you will, like it's a collection of different recipes. It's also detailed description of these butters, these oils, how to work with them, and how to get the best out of them. So just wanted to come here to announce that, and I hope that you found this video useful and that you're going to look out for those ebooks, and definitely stay tuned for the giveaway because I'm really excited about this 10-year birthday that we're about to celebrate. It's been a long journey, and I just thank God for keeping me consistent and just providing people like you watching right now. Yes, you, because people that go ahead to encourage other people, like watching your videos, commenting, and just being there in general definitely helps. Yeah, helps people feel like they're doing something that is helping out. You know what I mean? Like just I, makes you feel like you're contributing something that is valuable to people. So I thank you for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for that giveaway. And that's it. Stay tuned to my next video, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.